I am the president of your heart, the president of your smile. And today I want to talk about love. I know that some of us have got questions concerning love and they want to know more about love. It's always part of life falling, but what is not part of life is enjoying the fall. Don't let yourself to enjoy the fall. Just get up and continue with whatever that kept you going. Love has never been easy. It takes a very strong being to win it. And just like a praying lion, love is prayed. We are human beings indeed. And that means we're not perfect and we shall never be perfect. So it's always a matter of making a mistake, but you gotta learn from that mistake. You gotta learn from it. Love is one kind of a game that not even a single person can understand. If you really love an individual or a particular person, you will understand each and every matter or problem they bring, so to let them see that they could have done way better than what they did. Make them feel loved. Love comes with problems, mistakes, wrongs, and everything that you will like and dislike. Love can be like a pyramid. Yes, like a pyramid. But if two people that love one another, that are in a relationship, understand one another and take good care of one another, then love just becomes a very better world to settle in. We were never born with perfect hearts. We were never born knowing all the importances of love, even of life. But we can learn along the way. As we grow up, we meet different circumstances and different problems and different difficulties that make us stronger and stronger every day. So we become true lovers. So we become the so-called real lovers. So by these words, I just want to say, take care of the person who loves you, or who you think they love you, or the person that you think you love. Just take care of them. Make sure that they are well treated and they are well taken care of, because if you don't do that, one day you will wake up and they'll be gone forever. They'll be gone and there'll be nowhere to be found. That's when you will realize that I've lost something very important. Just start taking care of what you have right now, because I tell you, it'll matter the most after you've lost it, after it's gone. So I'm not a preacher, I'm not a teacher, I'm not an expert, but I thought maybe I should share what I think and how I feel about love. Let us love and love and love. Maybe it's important to say love is not about all these materials, but I think that's been said for too long now. Yes, love is not about materials. Don't be too materialistic, okay? No, don't. Your feelings, your emotions, your life matters the most. And love is the only strength to those things. It strengthens your whole life. Man, love is so nice. Enjoy love, enjoy it. My name is Mongameli Mazongola, the president of your heart. Thank you very much.